Hello children, good morning. Where I have stopped in the previous class children? Anybody have remembered? Before starting the class, let me give you some points children. What points? While you are watching the videos, please sit with the related textbooks CW and HW. Okay, then only you will come to know and you may answer very easily when we converse with you. Okay. See children, now I am taking an English subject for you. Okay. While you are watching that English video, you have to sit with the English textbook CW and HW. Okay. In the on time you may answer to my questions. Okay, it will be easy for you. Okay, then where I have stopped in the previous class children, I have completed the poem that is Somebody's Mother. Once again I am going to recall that poem. Okay, that is Somebody's Mother. What happened in this poem children? There was a girl, she became a very old. Okay, one day what she used to do, one day she decided to cross the road. Okay, she was very old now. Then I think she don't have any that daughter and son everything. So she have dependent on the others. Okay. While she was crossing the road, it's a very it's highly impossible to cross the road. Okay. What she was doing there, she was waiting for somebody may come and they may help me. Like that she was waiting. Unfortunately or incidentally, that suddenly a boy came. Which boy he is children? After finishing his school, so many children are crowded and they are crossing the road. But in so much of children, one child came to help that old lady. How he helped children? Just he holded her hand and he helped to cross the road. Okay, this much is there in this poem children. Okay, I think everybody have understood this one. Then I have given you some meanings children. Meanings in the sense they have given in a textbook. While I am sending you PDF, I am going to write all the meanings in a that PDF you have to copy in a CW. Okay. Then today we'll start with a read and find. Okay. Read and find means children it's an exercise related to that poem. What's the name of the poem? That is Somebody's Mother. Okay. Then what is the moral of this poem children? What we are learning? What we have learned through this poem? Do you have any idea after hearing this poem? Poem ಕಲಿತ ಮೇಲೆ moral ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀತಿ ಏನಿದ್ರದ್ದು? We should help others. Okay, if we help today, surely we will get it back in the future. Okay, we never get back while we are helping to others. Okay, ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇವತ್ತೊಂದಿನ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇವತ್ತೊಂದಿನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, it should come in our blood itself. Okay, then ಯಾವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇರಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂಜರಿಬಾರ್ದು. If they are in a very bad situation, if they are very cruel, at that time we have to think whether we have to help them or not. Okay, this is a small moral of this story poem children. Okay, now I am going to start with the exercise. Take out your textbook. In that, answer each question briefly. Okay, see here, let me just dictate the answers. No need to write in a HW or a CW or a textbook. Okay, where you have to listen these answers. Okay, then see here, after that whatever I am going to write that exercise now you have to write in a textbook. First, what is the first question children? Where was the woman standing and why? As I said you children, if you know the answer, if you are sat with your parents or cousin brothers or sisters, you have to answer them. ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಆಜು ಬಾಜು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಕೂತಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕೇಳೋ ಆನ್ಸರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ದೇರ್. ರೈಟ್? ಟೆಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ವೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ವುಮನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ? Where she is standing? She is standing near the road, right? Why she was standing there children? To cross the road. Okay, the woman was standing at the crossing. She was waiting for someone to help her to cross the road. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದವಳು ಸರಾಗಿ ಹೋಗೋಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ she don't want to wait there. Okay, she was helpless, so she was waiting for somebody may help me, somebody may help to cross this road. Like that she was waiting there children. Okay, second question, why were the boys laughing and shouting? ಯಾಕೆ ನಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಹುಡುಗರು? Take an example of you only children. When school bell rang at 5:30, you start feel very happy. Why? Because you are going to home back, right? Eldridu hange, even not only you children, mine itself. Being a worker, if 5 o'clock or 4:30 will happen, me to feel very happy. Why? Because we are going to meet our parent, we are going to meet our neighbors, right? ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಫೀಲ್ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ದೆನ್ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಟು ಹೋಮ್, ವಿ ಮೇ feel as we want. Okay, that time, why children, why were the boys laughing and shouting? The boys were laughing and shouting because they had got freedom to go to the home. ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರ್ತೈತೆ. ಸೊ every child or every children will feel happy to go there, right? See here, next third question. How did one of the boys help the woman? ಆ ಲೇಡಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ? Do you have any idea, children? I have said this one in a poem. Okay. Then he helped the woman to cross the busy road. That road became very crowded, children. That time she needed help there. ಅದು ರೋಡ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಕಾಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಳು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ಲೇನೋ ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ರೈಟ್? But that boy helped him in a busy road. That time that boy also felt very happy. I have done some help today. I have done a very good job today, like that. Okay. Then what is the actual answer for that, children? He helped the woman cross a busy road. Okay. Fourth question. How did he feel after helping the old woman? Antandre, when he helped to the old woman, how he felt? He felt very comfortable. He felt very proud. ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ನಾನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಅದು ಅಜ್ಜಿಗೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾ ಅಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೊಂದು ದಿನ ನನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಯಾರೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? He felt happy and he felt very happy over what he had done. Okay, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶುವಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಮ್, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ದೇರ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದೇರ್? ಅಮ್ಮ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದೇ ಟು ಫೀಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಇವನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ, you to feel very happy inside, right? Next, fifth question, children. What did he say to his friends about the woman? Woman ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ there is only one boy went to the woman and he helped him. Why? He have a mature mind. Okay, he said that the woman was somebody's mother. Okay, ಯಾರ್ದೋ ತಾಯಿ ಅವಳು. Okay, next he hoped that someone would similarly help his own mother also if ever she was poor and old. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತೊಂದಿನ ಆ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನೂ ಆ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಪಡಿಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ. ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ನೌ ಯುವರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್, page number 32. Whatever I am going to write on the board, you have to write in a textbook. Okay. Look at the second main, children, in the textbook, page number 32. See here, complete the following passage with a suitable words. Okay, they have given their own complete passage. In between that passage, they have kept some dashes. Okay, we have to fill that dashes with a correct word to make a meaningful sentence. Okay, fill in the blanks tara. Okay, see here, somebody's mother is a beautiful dash. What it is, children? Somebody's mother, is it a story or what it is, novel or a lesson or a poem? It's a beautiful poem, right? In the first dash you have to write the answer, poem. It's a poem. Okay, look at second. It tells how a little dash helped a poor and old dash. Who helped their children? A boy, right? We have to write this. It tells how a little boy helped a poor old men or woman. Okay, woman, WOMEN. Woman cross a busy what, children? Road. Okay. Next, the boy saw in the old woman the image of his own what how that boy felt and went there children ನನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ಇರಬಹುದು ಓಕೆ ಯಾರ್ದೋ ಒಬ್ರು ತಾಯಿ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅವಳಲ್ಲಿ that in that woman he found his mother children right we have to write their own mother okay next when she would grow old this little act of kindness okay kindness gave the boy great joy. He got not only an inner happiness but also the old woman's blessings. Blessings. We should never forget that ever old woman is somebody's mother. And every little boy is somebody's son. See here, children. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? In the first line, 2 dashes are there, okay? See here in that first one. Read that first. Somebody's mother is a beautiful poem, okay? I have written here poem, children. Somebody's mother, another, it's a poem, not a lesson, okay? See here, it tells how a little dash helped the poor. Who is helped to that woman, children? Is there a girl? No, he is a boy, right? It tells how a little boy helped a poor old woman, okay? Then woman next, busy road. It's a second dash in the second line. The boy saw in the old woman the image of his own mother. Okay. Next, when he would grow old, this little act of kindness, okay, kindness gave the boy great joy. He got not only an inner peace but also the old woman blessings. We should never forget that every old woman is somebody's mother and every little boy is somebody's son. Okay. See here, children. It's a complete passage. They have given here some dashes to make it complete. Write these all the things. In this poem, what are the main characteristics, children? A old woman and a little boy, right? He helped to whom, children? Old woman. For what reason he helped them? She became a very old, then he was not able to cross the road. In that time, that boy felt to help her and went there, okay? After that, what he felt inside? He felt very happy, I have done a good job. Then if I treat her as my mother today, in the future somebody may treat my mother as theirs and they will help to my mother. Like that boy felt very happy for his job, children. Okay, next, I think you have understood this second main. Now we'll start with the write well. Okay, see you in Kannada. What we say, children? Gade sulladaru veda sulladaru gade sullagadu, right? See here, some proverbs are there. Okay, our ancestors made that proverbs to learn something. Okay, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? some ಗಾದೆಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Our ancestor told some proverbs that they told here, children. Some 4 proverbs they have given here. You have to write remaining 8 proverbs. Okay, so if you know your own proverbs you have to write, but in this class I am going to give you some proverbs, you have to write it. Okay, see here, a proverb is a well-known phrase or a sentence that gives advice or says something that is generally true. Okay, that proverbs are made why? Because according to the situation, that situation was happened to create that proverbs, right? Those are very true, children. All is well that ends well. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಕ್ಕೆ. Love of man is a love of God. As you sow ಸೊ ಶಾಲ್ ಯು ರೀಪ್. ಅ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ನೀಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ನೀಡ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಆಪತ್ತಿಗಾದವನೇ ಗೆಳೆಯ. ಆಸ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಬಿತ್ತಿದಂಗೆ ಬೆಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದಂಗೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ವಿ ಮೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, in our ancestor days what was happening? If we do bad thing today, next our generation may get it bad. But today's life in this 2020, it's a completely a business world, right? It's not going to others also. What we are doing today, it is coming back today itself. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಇವತ್ತೇ ನಮಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಕ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಅವಾಗ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ nowadays it's absolutely wrong children. ಓಕೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನೋವು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಂಗೆ ನೋವು ಇವತ್ತೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನಾವು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನ ಅನ್ನೋ ಅರಿವು ಕೂಡ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಫೀಲ್ ದಟ್ ಪೇನ್, that time we have to remember, so I have done this mistake, that's why that God has given a punishment for me like that. Okay, so these are all the proverbs children. ಅಂದರೆ ಗಾದೆಗಳು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಸುಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಇವು. ಓಕೆ, ಟೈಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೈಡ್ ವೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ನನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅಲೆಗಳು ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಲ್ಲೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಟೈಮು ನಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ ಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, however you are spending the time it will go. ಓಕೆ, ಟೈಡ್ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾ? ದೂರ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಒಂದು ಸಮುದ್ರ ದಂಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದೇರ್, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಏನು ಅಲೆಗಳು ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತವೆ, ಏ ಅವ ಇದ್ದಾನ, ರಾಜ ಇದ್ದಾನ, ರಾಣಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಲೆಗಳು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನಾ? ನೋ. ದೆನ್ ಟೈಮು ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ, ಒಂದೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಓನರ್ದಿನ್ನೂ ಸ್ನಾನ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಓಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಫೀಲ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ? ನೋ. ಸಿ ಯರ್, ಟೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ನನ್. ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಸಾಕ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸರ್, ಯುನಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್, ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲಗ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಸಮ್ 8 proverbs. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಶಾಲ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಆಸ್ ಅ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್? ಬರೀತೀರಾ? ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲವಿದೆ, ಯುನಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ನೀಡೆಡ್, ಅ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೀಡ್, ರೈಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, where is a will there is a way, right? Can you write these all the 8 proverbs? Shall I give you homework in a textbook? Baritira? I think you may do it. You can search wherever, but you have to write all the proverbs. Okay, then only will come to know the meaning of that proverbs. If I made you to write all the answers here itself, you don't have time to think. ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿಮೇಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಟ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ 8 proverbs. ಹೇಳಿದಿನಲ್ಲ, ಗಾದೆ ಮಾತುಗಳು, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಸೇ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಗಾದೆ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದ somebody's mother children. Okay, how many lessons I have completed? Let me recall all the lessons. First one, that is a poem, it's the bonds of love. Okay, second one is a Kabuliwala, right? Next, third one, sorry, third one, Christmas gift. Okay, fourth one, half a gift. Then somebody's mother. Okay, let me explain it shortly children. First one, Kabuliwala dalli enagide, Kabuliwala, he is a pea and groundnut seller, nut seller. Okay, he became a very friend with a mini girl. Then that affection and love started between those two people, and at the finally they become a very happy, and again they started their friendship. Okay, next, in the Christmas gift, what happened? It's a Christmas gift, right? What about here? Okay, sorry, it's a, sorry, in a Christmas gift there was a 2 couples. Okay, they used to give the gift to in between the both. Then they have so many struggles to keep their love bonding, and they decided to gift each other. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಗಂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಬಹಳನೇ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಕಪಲ್ಸ್, ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಲವ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೇರ್ ದೆನ್ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಆಗ ಕಾಣಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವನು ಒಂದು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವಳು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಗಂಡ ಈಗ ಕಾಣಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವಳು ಒಂದು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾಳೆ. ದಿಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಹಾಫ್ ಅ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ 2 brothers. Then they decided to give a gift for the Mother's Day, right? It's related to the half a gift. Next, In this somebody's mother, it's related to a old lady. Okay, she was not able to cross the road, then she have taken a help from a small boy. Okay, this is regarding the somebody's mother. Okay, up to here I have completed, children. Related to these all the lessons, they have given here assignment. Assignment means what, children? Recapitulation, question answers. Okay, actually I have decided to give for this test, but this assignment 1 I am going to solve here itself. Okay, when after finishing this next lessons, at the end of each lessons, I think that assignment they have given. This first assignment I am going to solve in this class, but that next assignment I am not going to solve in the class. Okay, you have to think yourself and you have to write there. Okay, shall I start to solve that assignment, children? Don't worry about the CW. I am going to send the PDF. However, I am sending a PDF. You have to write it very neatly. Okay. Then whatever I am teaching you to write in a class, you have to write that one in a textbook. If I said you to do in a homework in a SW, in that time only you have to complete that SW. Okay. Today I am going to give you homework, children, in a textbook. After 8 proverbs they told you to write, you have to write yourself. Okay. So, now we'll start with the assignment. What assignment? Sorry, children. Okay. See here. Read the passage. Okay. They have given here one passage, children. Related to that passage, they have given there some questions. We have to answer for that questions. Okay. Della got the chain for $21 and hurried. See here. Now I am going to explain page number 33. Please hold your textbook in your hand, then only you will come to know whatever ma'am is teaching in the class and everything. Okay, first one, read this passage. Della got the chain for $21 and hurried home with the remaining 87 cents. Cents means it's a rupee, children. Okay, see here, she got out her curling irons and light that gas. Within 40 minutes her head was covered with the tiny curls. She stood before the mirror and took at herself. With her curls, she looked like a naughty boy. Okay, it's a small passage, children. What here? Della got the chain for a $21. She have took the chain for how much rupees? $21, right? Then she hurried with the home. And she went to the home very fastly with the remaining 87 cents. In that, whatever money she have taken to the shop, in that she have taken their 21 rupees dollar chain. Remaining rupees she have taken and went back to the home. Okay. Next. She got out her curling irons and lighted the ice gas. Within the 40 minutes, her head was covered with the tiny curls. Okay. With the help of that, she made her hair curls. Okay. Next, she stood before the mirror and looked at herself. With her curls, she looked like a naughty boy. Okay. See here, children. To make it clear, I will give you example. Is the hair. Okay. One day, what happened? I think due to the time management, what you will do, you decided to cut it, right? Like that lady also cut the hair after when she stand in front of a mirror. She felt herself like a naughty boy. ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟುದ್ದ ಕೂದಲ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗನ ತರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಫೀಲು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂತು? To that woman, right? This is a small passage, children. Related to this passage, they have given here some questions. Let us see one by one. What did Della do with her curling irons? She have taken their curling irons, right? What she have done with that? She used them to curl the hair. ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು ಅವಳು? ಹೇರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕರ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು. ಓಕೆ, ಶಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದಮ್ ಟು ಕರ್ಲ್ ದ ಹೇರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, why did she go before the mirror? To see her. Okay, after curling she decided to see her face in front of the mirror, so she stood in front of the mirror. Okay, next, what did she look like and why? What did she look like and why? With her cropped hair, she looked like a naughty boy. Okay. So give a word that is the opposite word of naughty. Opposite word of naughty, gentle. Right? Naughty opposite word, gentle. Next. See here children, don't worry about it. I am going to send a PDF of assignment 1 also. You have to write that assignment 1 in a one paper. Okay. Why I am going to write that paper children? I may ask you some questions regarding that paper in a test also. So I am making you to keep that assignment very safely. Assignment ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೆದಿರಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ second main read these lines okay see here read these lines at last came one of the merry troop the gayest lady of all the group he paused beside her and whispered low I will help you cross if you wish to go this is a small stanza children in which poem it came see here name the poem and the poet. This is a small stanza where it comes, where it came in the poem. Which poem, children? Somebody's mother. Okay, somebody's mother. Second way. First question. Name the poem and the poet. It's a somebody's mother. Okay. This is a small stanza came in a somebody's mother poem. How did the boy look? He looked happiest in the group. Okay. He looked happiest in the group. Next question. What did he say to the woman? He told that he would help to cross the road if she wish. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಾ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಪಟಕ್ಕರ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವಳ ಇದನ್ನೇನದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ದೆನ್ ಮೇ ಐ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ ಅವನು ಓಕೆ ಹಿ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಹರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ he have taken a permission of that old lady he made her to cross the road okay see here. Next answer briefly in three of the following okay see here these question answers I am going to give you PDF. Next rearrange the words to make a sentences see here then old I 10 was years shall I give you for homework children homework kodla fourth menu fifth menu. Let me explain this one in Kannada if you can't understand in language. See here, rearrange the words to make a sentence. Okay, they have given their jumbling letters. We have to make it correct words and a meaningful sentence. Okay, ulta patta words ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು meaningful sentence ಆಗೋ ತರ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ fourth menu. Next write questions to which underlined words are answers. Okay. So this one I am going to teach you in the next class children. Why? Because I am going to send this one in the PDF. After sending the PDF I am going to explain it one by one. Okay. Then I hope everybody have understood this class children. I have completed the poem that is somebody's mother. I think understood this poem and also the exercise related to that poem. Today what homework I am giving you children, as I said you in the class, you have to write proverbs. Okay. Right proverbs 8 proverbs okay 7 in a textbook Page number 32. Okay, see here children, whatever homework I have given you, you have to write in a textbook, not in a SW. Okay, in the next class I am going to send the PDF, you have to write in a CW. Okay, if you have any doubts, if you have any queries children, call to school number, I will clarify your doubts. Okay, see here you have to write. Okay, page number 32. ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್, then assignment also I am going to send you the PDF children. Okay, don't worry about it. Thank you for watching my video children. Meet you in the next class. Have a nice day.